What is up, YouTube fam? You guys already know what it is, but just in case you guys do not know, I'm gonna go ahead and just formally introduce this channel. In case you are a new subscriber, you just happen to, stumble across this lovely channel. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're a new subscriber, you just happen to stumble across this channel, go ahead and do me and the fam a quick favor. Like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me go ahead and properly welcome you to the channel and say welcome, 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 you guys. So I don't want to keep doing a lot of babbling on. I want to tell you guys because I'm really excited about this vlog. It's not going to be a long one, you guys. It's not going to be a long one, but I don't care. I'm really excited. I'm finally putting the finishing touches on my son's bedroom, you guys. The time has come. The time has come. I'm putting the changes on my son's bedroom. I'm really excited, you guys. I've been taking my time. As you guys saw with the prior video, and if you guys did not check that out, I went ahead and I put some paneling in his room, and he has a bomb dope accent wall. So if you guys want to see more on that, make sure that you reference to the prior videos that I have in there. I got plenty of content, you guys, that I want y'all to check out. So yeah, just go check that video out. I think it's like on I think I have it underneath like extreme small bedroom makeover or something like that, but be sure to check that out and get caught up. And then when you get caught up on that, go ahead and roll on to this video, and then it'll make sense. So yeah, my main focus, you guys, if you guys can remember where I left off at in that vlog, was I had the wall, the accent wall put up. I put the dressers and stuff back. I put the lamps back, but what it was missing was, it was missing some pillows, you guys. So, I went ahead and I got him some pillows. Also, what you guys did not see is that my son actually has a futon in his room. So I got some really nice gender neutral pillows for his room. Like I said, you guys, usually I go like a little bit like girly and stuff like that, just because, that's my style. But I had to make sure, like, on the real tip, you guys, I had to make sure, listen, my boy's room is a boy's room. I had to think in my head, keep it masculine as possible. You know what I'm saying? Don't think about what I'm gonna want, think about what he's gonna want. So that was the thing for the room, you guys. I made sure to pick out the pillows that were as masculine and boyish as possible, you guys, because I didn't want it to look, too girly. At the end of the day, he's a growing boy. He's a teenager now and stuff like that. So that is the thing that I was going for. Really excited with what I chose, you guys, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I chose as well. Also, this video is not sponsored, so it's not sponsored at all. So that's why I'm not gonna be dropping like too much knowledge of where I got stuff and stuff like that. But yeah, bomb pillows, you guys. I can't wait for you guys to see. I got a really nice accent pillow, and like I told you guys prior, he has a futon, so I got 2 pillows for that. And y'all, I got this really nice rug from Walmart. It looks so banging, and I want to show you guys the reason why I got that rug. See, at first, because all I could see was like light rugs, but the way my kids are set up, kids tend to make messes on the floor and stuff like that. So this rug is it's gonna be easy for cleaning. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I know what you guys are thinking. Girl, go ahead and get started to this vlog. Show us what you got. You know what I'm saying? It ain't that much, but you know what I'm saying, we here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started to this video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed, and I hope you guys like all the choices that I picked out. Also, I'm not sure if his lighting is that good in his room. He's playing the game. Maybe he will let me in there, maybe he won't. We shall see. Okay, you guys, so I made it inside my son's bedroom, so he did let me in here. I want to go ahead and just show you guys the pillows that I got in the color that I was going with. And then I'm going to pan and show you guys, why I decided to go with that. But let me go ahead and just show you guys the pillows that I got. These are bomb. I got this nice gray pillow, you guys. I think it's like cotton fabric. Very nice. I made sure I wanted to get extra big pillows for his room, just because it's comforting, it's comfy if we have company or anything, which is rarely, you guys, because I do not like a lot of people over here, because I like to keep my stuff clean. So yeah, but like if my grandma was to come in town, even though she rarely comes here, but if my grandma was to come in town, or she has this pillow. And I'm just gonna keep it 100 with you guys. Right now, Tonio's room is like my favorite room in the house so far. So yeah, before it was my living room, now it's this room. It just looks like a luxury. So yeah, this is the pillow. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me see. And I got a second one as well, so it's gonna be 2 of these pillows. And I don't know, I love this little accent pillow. It just screamed like boys. Look at the patterns, you guys. And I just was like, it spoke to me, so I was just like, you know what, I'm getting this for the room. It's very masculine and it's boyish, and I like it. I like the detail. It's really soft, you guys. It's so soft. But yeah, I got this pillow to go on the bed as well. And these 2 pillows right here, you guys, they're actually smaller. I got these from Walmart. As you guys see, they're decorative pillows. They're from Mainstay. So yeah, I got 2 of these packs. I wanted to keep the colors within the grays, the light blues, or the dark blues family, you guys, because that's the theme that he has going on in his room until I change it. But yeah, these 2 pillows are gonna go on the futon, you guys. So yeah, y'all see that one. I want to show you guys the Corbett. Let me see if I can pick it up. Y'all, look at it. Can you guys see it? You guys can't really see it because I'm holding it and it's all like rolled up, but let me just zoom it in for y'all. See the there it goes. You guys see the colors? Look at the accent. I love it. I love how it's got like the grays, like everything that I have in this room. This rug is gonna bounce off of everything that I have in this room. I just love it. I love it. I love that it's not really a high power rug. I mean, it's not fluffy, so it's gonna be easy for cleaning, you guys. Like, let's say if I need to bring in a rug doctor or something like that, all the dirt and stuff won't get trapped underneath this. And another thing I like about this rug, I got it from Walmart as well, you guys, is that it's got dark colors in here, so it's not a completely light rug to where it's gonna hold dirt. You're gonna see like all the traction marks and stuff like that, because as you guys all know, kids will be kids. But yeah, okay, you guys, so this is the accent wall I was telling you guys about. So this is what it looks like right now. I got my son's trophies right there. Of course, he's got his little lamps and stuff like that, you guys. But I'm gonna show you how big of a difference a nice set of pillows is gonna make on this room. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I'm excited. I don't care if it's something as little as pillows. Your girl's excited, so I hope y'all are excited too. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so you see what a big difference some pillows makes, you guys. It looks so good. I'm really happy with the choice that I made, you guys. So I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous, but honestly, it fits perfectly with this room. I love it. And right now, I don't know, this tag right here that's on the bottom of the pillow, I don't like to rip them, just because sometimes it rips the seams and stuff like that. And I spent way too much money to worry about it ripping the seams. But look at that, y'all. Just something that simple, you guys, literally can make the whole room. So just wanted to show you guys all things are possible. Alright, you guys, so I have my husband helping me because in order for me to get the rug underneath the bed, we're gonna have to move the bed and possibly the futon. I know I worked backwards.
I'm gonna cut your rug.
Don't do that, you might get beat up. Hate to have to show the people types of violence on the camera. But yeah, you guys, gonna open the rug and Mike might lift up. You're gonna lift up the bed and then you just want me to slide it in there? Huh? You gonna lift up the bed and you just want me to slide it underneath there?
Oh, you can slide. I'll pick the bed.
That's what I said, fool.
I thought you said.
I said you gonna lift up the bed and you want me to slide down underneath there?
Oh, I thought you said the other way. Of course.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, Cooper. The rug is like by far my favorite purchase.
Huh?
The rug is my favorite purchase. So excited.
Watch out, I got one.
Yeah, Tony, go ahead and.
The air mattress. That's all.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I can get the air mattress.
So you wanted the box right here?
Yeah, I want it to be like that.
All right,
Yeah.
see you guys later.
You ain't going nowhere. Hey, that is nice on the bed though. If they had like a
some kind of throw.
yeah, some type of throw that's like that. That's pretty.
All right, guys.
Ooh, that gives me an
This will be the
idea.
easiest way. Tony, pick this up, throw it over that futon right there. You and mom.
No, you mean you and Tony.
You and mom.
You and Tony.
these corners of the rug and pull it under while I hold up the bed.
All right, you guys, so I'm gonna have to put y'all down because you know what I'm saying, Michael got me putting in work, so I'm gonna pull y'all back up whenever
You're pulling the rug.
yeah, putting in work. So I'm gonna pull y'all back up when I get this rug. You know, I gotta use my muscles, so I'll pull y'all back up. All right, you guys, so this is what the rug looks like. It looks so good. I'm so happy. So happy. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, the kids this is why I got the rug, because they make such a mess, you guys. And as you guys can see, I have like, see those stains? Those come from my little hellions. I gotta call somebody in here to clean the carpet to get those stains up. Then we'll be good to go. But yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. Guys, so that is gonna be it for this vlog. I hope that you guys all enjoyed. I know it wasn't like extravagant or anything like that, you guys, but I'm not even gonna tell you guys this, but Rome was not built in a day. There's no way that, you know, I'm not balling like that, you guys. So little by little, but I'm gonna take you guys along with each and every step that I take. But yeah, as you guys can see, just the littlest of things can make a huge dramatic change in the bedroom. I hope you guys are all excited. My son is excited. My daughter is low-key. She's mad. She's mad. But I also got her pillows as well, which she already knows, but she wants me to do a vlog on her room. So that is possibly going to be the next vlog, you guys. So I hope that you guys all enjoy. I'm sorry that it wasn't big, but I hope that you guys all enjoyed. Like I said, I just want to show you guys the little intricate details that matter the most. You don't have to ball out, you know what I'm saying? Just little things, little eye grabbers are all that you need. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be it for this vlog. Like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell. Make sure that you guys turn on your post notifications so that you guys are alerted each and every time that I post a vlog. I hope that you guys all enjoyed. And yeah, until the next vlog. And that's gonna be it, y'all. Bye.